The future of AI-powered robotics. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly groundbreaking, a revolutionary breakthrough in AI-powered robotics that could reshape our world as we know it. Imagine robots that can learn by just watching us. Sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's real, and it's happening now. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see just how close we are to a future where humans and robots work side by side seamlessly. Let's get into it. So what's this all about? Scientists and engineers have developed a new kind of humanoid robot that doesn't just follow pre-programmed instructions, it actually learns by observing human behavior in real time. Imagine teaching a robot to make coffee simply by making one yourself. No coding, no complex setup, just natural interaction. This advancement is powered by cutting-edge AI, including computer vision and machine learning, allowing these robots to adapt and evolve with their surroundings. Exciting, isn't it? Here's how it works. The robot is equipped with advanced cameras and sensors that capture its environment in stunning detail. This data is processed through powerful AI algorithm, specifically reinforcement learning and computer vision. The robot observes tasks performed by humans, analyzes patterns, and learns to replicate those actions. It's like having a super fast learner that never gets tired or forgets. What's more, these robots are designed to adapt. If they encounter a new environment, they adjust their behavior instead of being stumped. Now that's intelligent. Now let's talk about where this technology could be used, and trust me, the possibilities are endless. In healthcare, imagine robots assisting surgeons during complex operations or helping elderly patients with daily tasks like eating or getting around. In logistics, these robots could revolutionize warehouses, automating tasks like sorting packages or transporting goods without needing to be reprogrammed for every change. And here's the part that gives me chills. In disaster response, these robots could step in where it's too dangerous for humans, like searching for survivors in collapsed buildings or delivering critical supplies during floods or wildfires. How incredible is that? This isn't just about technology, it's about humanity. Imagine a future where humans and robots collaborate seamlessly. Robots could handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, leaving us to focus on creativity, innovation, and connection. It's a future where technology empowers us rather than replaces us. But with this power comes responsibility, ensuring ethical development, accessibility, and safety as this technology evolves. It's exciting, but also a bit daunting, isn't it? What do you think? Are you ready to embrace a future where robots could be our co-workers or even our friends? If you found this video as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, it really helps the channel. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. How do you feel about AI-powered robots entering our lives? Excited? Nervous? Both? Let me know. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more exciting tech updates explained simply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.